In today's video, we will be leveraging ChatGPT and other AI tools to generate a profitable online business quickly. Now, here is a breakdown of what this method involves. You use ChatGPT's new features, so take advantage of the ability for ChatGPT to search the internet in real time, enabling you to gather trending topics, articles, and data that are highly relevant to your niche. With this, you're able to stay on top of what is currently popular and identify key trends super early. Now, seed prompting. Have you heard of seed prompting before? Seed prompting is a technique where you enter a seed prompt into ChatGPT, asking it to find and analyze recent news articles and trends in your niche. Now, this step helps you understand what is currently popular, which you can then use to create content that appeals to a wide audience. Now, the next one is Spotter Studio. Yes, for viral content. You can use this kind of tool, Spotter Studio, to discover the most viral content on YouTube, sort it out by keywords that are relevant to your niche. It helps you identify the types of content that are currently performing well, allowing you to tailor your own content to what your audience is already engaging. Next thing is content creation. After gathering all your trending topics and viral content insights, then use ChatGPT to help you summarize the articles, create blog posts, and generate social media content and videos. This process is fully automated and it can be done quickly without the need for extensive, experience or resources. As for monetization, you can monetize it through websites. So utilize affordable AI-powered website builders like Hostinga to quickly set up affiliate blogs or online stores. And then you can integrate monetization strategies like affiliate marketing or selling your own digital or physical products into your website. Now, content distribution. You can expand your reach by posting content across various platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, etc. So guys, if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you to you guys. I have a giveaway at the end of today's video, so make sure that you watch all the way till the end. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and on this channel I share 3 videos every single week. So make it a day to join your girl right here on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So like I said, expand your reach by posting your content across various social media platforms to also, increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. That way you can get more sales and higher income. Rinse and scale. Yes, rinse and repeat. So all you need to do is just to keep creating content, expand it across multiple platforms. Also use ChatGPT to adjust your strategies based on real-time trends and data, because the key to success is consistently producing high-quality viral content while optimizing the best performing topics and trends. Now, this strategy combines the power of AI with real-time data and automation to streamline content creation, distribution, and monetization, which will potentially lead to significant online earnings. Now, let me know if you need any specific help with any of the tools that I have explained in today's video. Now, the internet is actually a gold mine where you can actually make a lot of money. And by repurposing your content on various social media platforms, you can potentially increase your earning. And if you also have a product or a service, you can use these platforms to actually promote these products and also get buyers, direct paying traffic to your website. The key to success using the online platforms is consistency. Consistency is something that is overlooked a lot of times. Consistency is the key to success. When you look at all of the great people that you know today, and I'll give you an example. This is not even YouTube here. Let's talk about Tyla, for example. Tyla, the artist, the South African girl that sang Water, right? Make me sweat, make me harder. Now, ever since she won the Grammy, she has been consistent, because it's easy to let the fame get into your head. When you encounter success on YouTube or any of this platform, never let it get into your head. You have to show up every day like you are hustling, like you don't know where your next meal is coming from. That is exactly how to show up on social media. You don't just get it done once, hit the money, and then go to bed. No, you have to repeat everything that you did that translated into that success. And I hope this masterclass has touched 1 or 2 people because honestly, people pay a lot of money to get this thing I'm telling you. So the key to winning on social media is consistency. How do you become consistent? By creating systems. You need to put systems in place that helps other people. It's like a well-oiled machine that makes things, work. It's like baking bread, owning a bakery. So when you own the bakery, a set of people actually need the bread. I mean, some mix the ingredients together. They mix the flour and all that together. Some of them are kneading the dough. Some of them are putting it in the trays, in the pans. Some of them are, some other people are probably, baking it, and some are taking it out once it's fully baked, and some are actually batching it and packaging it. So that's exactly how being consistent on social media is. It's not just about waiting until you are in the mood to do it. No, you have to create systems in place that make it, like it's like fixed costs. Don't make it variable, make it a fixed cost. Create systems in place that make it roll out. It's like newspapers. I don't know if you grew up reading newspapers. They still exist today. Of course, the Wall Street Journal was something I had to subscribe to when I was back in grad school. So then at the time I was like, oh, newspapers are available every day. There's a system in place that makes these newspapers available every single day. So you have to understand how these things work. It's simply by creating systems. You don't wait until you're mood. Don't say, oh, I don't feel like. No, you gotta create systems such that whether you're in a mood or not, it is happening. It is pumping. So, and maybe you have to get to a level in business before you can really understand this concepts in full. If you're not yet in business, it might be difficult. It might be a struggle for you to actually pick exactly what I just said. But if you've been in business for quite a while, what I just said should be a part and parcel of you, because honestly, good things take time and you have to be willing to put in the work. Like I said, when you are successful, you have to duplicate everything that you did to be successful, to attain that success the very first time. And it is not by slacking, it's not by going to bed, it's not by going to sleep, it's not by saying, oh, I'm now comfortable, let me go and rest. No, the moment you are resting, somebody is waiting, somebody is watching. There's always a competitor somewhere lurking around waiting for you to just slack so that they will take over. They will take over. They will take your space. If you don't want anyone to take your space, just act like you don't know where your next meal is coming from. I work like I don't know where my next meal is coming from. I work like I'm hungry for success every single time. It doesn't matter if I've just, made millions a day before or same day. I'm working like I don't know when my next meal is coming from. And that is the mentality every successful entrepreneur has. When you look at this, you're wondering, why does Bill Gates still show up for work? Why does he still go to work every day? Why does Dangote still go to work? Why does Elon Musk still go to work? Why does Beyonce still shoot? Why does she still do concerts? Why is Rihanna still launching new beauty products? You have to act like you don't know where your next meal is coming from. Never ever get comfortable, regardless of your level of success. That's how you have to keep maintaining the success and continue to attain higher levels of success. And I hope that with these few points of mine and with my TED talk, I've been able to convince you, are not confused, that you can be a successful entrepreneur if you so desire. So guys, here is my giveaway. You think I'll forget? No, I will not forget. Here is my giveaway for today's video. If you don't mind, if you think $100 is not too small for you, I'm doing $100 cash gifts. All you need to do is to join my Telegram community and also add 50 people into my Telegram community, and that is it, guys. Just add 50 people into my Telegram community, including you, and then come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people you were able to add into my Telegram community, and that is it. You're on your way to getting my $100. It's $100 cash gift, but you need to add 50 people into my Telegram community. It's as simple as A, B, and C. Thank you all for watching all the way till this point. If this video has blessed you in how you do it, click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share with your friends. Check out my blog as well, getrichtoday.com, and you can also book a one-on-one consultation with me by joining my Patreon community. You can find the link in the blog, in the comments and description as well. Till I see you guys again in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling. God bless you.